Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to approach someone on LinkedIn using your iPhone. Whether you are looking to network, make a professional connection, or reach out to someone for a job opportunity, I've got you covered with a simple, respectful approach. Let's dive in. First of all, find the LinkedIn app on your home screen. Now open it. Now let's find the person you want to approach. Tap on to the My Network button. Here you can find a lot of persons that you might want to approach, or you can also search in the search bar. Once you have found their profile, go ahead and tap on their name to visit their profile page. To connect with someone on LinkedIn, you will tap the Connect button. Now the invitation has been sent. After that, be patient. If they accept your requests, it's a great idea to follow up with a message. But don't be impatient, you can simply thank them for connecting and mention you love to chat if they are open to it. Here is an example of a follow-up message. Also take a moment to read through their experience, skills, and any posts they have shared. This will help you craft a more personalized message when reaching out. And that's it. Now you know how to approach someone on LinkedIn using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.